Hey guys, I'm doing a review of this small shower chair. This is a big roll-in shower. I just wanted to show you how it fits in different spaces. It does have this right here, so it can hold your handheld shower nozzle close by. And then obviously it has these good grippy floor things, and then it is adjustable in height. So this is on the lowest setting. This is the shortest setting, and honestly, this looks like almost like a children's chair, the size of it. I would not get this shower chair for a plus size person. I would say it's very appropriate for an average or smaller size adult. It has handles on either side, but I'm also going to show it to you in a normal shower. So you can see if you need a shower chair for a smaller space, this is ideal for that. And we got the drain holes, to keep it from getting mildewy or gross there, and it fits really well in a small shower. Again, you got this nice thing here so that you can put your shower thing on there if needed. But yeah, I just wanted to show it to you in a large shower, but then also in like a normal to smallish shower space, that how it will work for you. I hope this helps you know if it's something you want to buy.